Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the Audi R8 Easy Guide. Begin by setting a firm budget, then prioritize certified pre-owned vehicles for reliability and warranty peace of mind. Search local dealers, enthusiast forums, and verified private sellers to expand options. Schedule multiple test drives to compare sound, handling, and comfort, and always verify service records to avoid costly surprises later on. In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi R8 Easy Guide. Evaluate financing by obtaining pre-approval so you know your buying power and can negotiate confidently. Compare loan rates from banks, credit unions, and dealer financing to find the best total cost. Don't forget insurance premiums and routine maintenance when calculating monthly expenses, and keep a cash cushion for unexpected repairs or upgrades. In this video, I will review how to get the Audi R8 Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy practical tips, consider the money book mentioned below. It pairs surprisingly well with planning a large purchase. Hit subscribe and like if this helps, and check the description for the book link and special deals or resources to speed your search. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to get the Audi R8 Easy Guide. Inspect paint, suspension, brakes, and all electronics with a detailed checklist, and bring a trusted mechanic for a hands-on review. Use comparable market listings and documented service records to justify fair negotiation, and be ready to walk if terms feel off. Secure a clear bill of sale and confirm the vehicle history report before completing any transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.